New Chase 30 high power engines. Maximum power 55.8 kW 2200 ppm. Equipped with a head dryer cooling system. More effective in reducing heat. Adopt electronically controlled hydraulic system. Electronically controlled main pump plus electronically controlled proportional valve. Precise action. Better controllability. Extended working device for forestry. Double boom cylinder. 3.8 meters boom plus 2.3 meters bucket arm. Equipped with heavy-duty rim deceleration right and optional outriggers and axle differential locks. Using special engineering tires. Better stability. Four-wheel hydraulic disc braking system is safer. Enhanced fuel tank. Capacity 235L. Hub integrated rear counterweight. Adopt family-style exterior design. Forestry. New cut. Transparent skylight with protective mesh. Better view. Front and rear dual cameras protect driving safety. Full-color liquid crystal display instrument. Independent monitoring video display. More suitable for forestry operations. New generation tire excavator.